So this is a Puredata patch that I've developed utilizing facial recognition software called FaceOSC. I've implemented that data onto a Puredata patch and then mapped it onto control certain parameters of an additive synth that I've also built. So the gesture of eyebrows, the width of mouth, things like that are read and transferred across to the oscillators, the frequencies, and the envelopes of this synth. So these next few patches are still work in progresses, and they're sort of my attempt to build a live vocal sampler that could process granular synthesis. Haven't quite managed to gel them all together. Utilizing a sub patch, so cloning this sub patch here, which would be controlled by facial recognition software, receives here from another patch. And yeah, a sampler here to hopefully generate some granular synthesis live playback, but that's been a bit of an issue and still working on that. Next example is somewhere where I'm trying to aim to get to, utilizing facial recognition software to control a granular synthesis. This patch I've downloaded off a forum, but it reads the data off FaceOSC and transfers it to control certain parameters of this granular synthesizer, such as grain speed and pitch, grain size, and also position within the sample length. Other parameters I have control of as normal within a Puredata patch.